Today I'm off on the WHERRYMANS Way and it starts here at Thorpe Station, Norwich. The WHERRYMANS Way is a 54-kilometre long-distance footpath between Norwich and Great Yarmouth and gives its name to the rail link between the two stations, known as the Wherry line. As a designated footpath, it's not particularly conducive to cycle use, particularly for the first few kilometres after Whitlingham. Be prepared for stiles, gates and obstacles. So after setting off from the railway station, just head over the road to the River Yare and then follow it down towards the Reedham bridge, cross there, then follow the signs up towards Trouse. The route takes in the Great Broad at Whitlingham Park and meanders around tree-lined lanes. Be aware that many of the waypoint signs are old, infrequent or obscured by foliage in these early kilometres, challenging your navigation. By the time you get to Surlingham, the route opens up as you join the River Yare near Claxton Stave. Open skies and clear path with frequent benches providing places to stop. Watch the bird life or just admire the view. 100 years ago, windmills working alongside our rivers to drain the adjoining marshes were a common sight. Hardley Windmill was one such drainage pump operating beside the River Yare. This windmill powered an Appold turbine capable of raising 12 tonnes of water per minute via a 12-foot high vertical shaft, 5 foot in diameter. The mill was built in 1874 for Sir Thomas Proctor Beauchamp of Langley Hall, now Langley School, by the Ludden millwright Daniel England. Approaching the villages of Chedgrave and Loddon is a great opportunity to resupply or stop off at a local cafe. Look out for the church at Loddon. The WHERRYMANS Way leaves Loddon via the churchyard at the Holy Trinity Church, where the footpath becomes twisty-turny and challenging to those with cycles. And it's not long before the skies open up again and you have that great Norfolk heaven above you. At 39 kilometres you'll reach the Reedham Ferry, a chain link ferry across the River Yare to the northern bank. The Reedham Ferry complex is inextricably linked to the Reedham Ferry Inn and the Archers Touring Park, a very useful place to pitch your tent and well worth a visit in its own right. Cheers. Just left the village of Reedham, entered the marshes at Breyden Water and got the River Yare on my right hand side and I can see sky for miles around me. It's like being on my own safari, surrounded by animals. The horizon just goes on forever. A massive sky, and the horizon is just punctuated occasionally by either a church tower or a windmill. Glorious. Wherryman's Way and the Weaver's Way, both heading towards Great Yarmouth. I've done about 45 kilometres and I've just gone past the Burney Arms. Got the water on the go. Yeah, I've decided I think I should eat something, so I'm going to eat some quick pasta. Some sort of mushroom pasta. I hope you can hear the skylarks. Absolutely surrounded by wildlife. Huge amount of waterfowl, swans, ducks and geese. Take a 30-minute break, I think. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's it, that's the end of the Wherryman's Way, Great Yarmouth Railway Station.